Your site will not magically show up on Google unless you help search engines to find it. So let's fix that. First things first, in your HTML, add these lines of code in the head tag. This helps Google understand your content better. Plus, that is what it shows in Google's search page when you look it up. Next, if someone shares your site on Discord, Twitter, or LinkedIn, this controls how it looks. So add these lines as well. While they are not mandatory, who doesn't like extra SEO boost, right? Now add a basic favicon so your site looks legit in tabs. Also, without favicon, sites often don't look authentic. And lastly, add this line to ensure your site does not break on fonts, because without it, Google will dock points for it. That's pretty much it, but if you want to go an extra mile, we can generate a sitemap and add it to Google Search Console. If you are using Vite, install these plugins first in the terminal, then in your vidconfig.js, add these lines, which should give you a sitemap.xml at the root. That's what Google looks for. Next, go to Google Search Console and link your domain. Here, you need to confirm that you actually own your domain. If you are using Namecheap and Netlify to host your website, all you have to do is copy the txt value provided by Google Search Console and add it to the Netlify as a new DNS record. It takes some time for it to take effect, but then your site should be easily searchable with this max level SEO setup.